You have questions about water damage. And we have answers. You ask, what is a moisture meter and how does it work? After there has been water damage or a leak, it is critical to be able to gauge how much moisture has been left in walls, floors, and ceilings. Excessive moisture can lead to bacteria and mold growth, which can be a health hazard. It can damage the structure of your home over the long haul. And finally, both of these can require costly repairs. Restoration professionals use moisture meters to detect excessive moisture. There are two types: pin or pinless. Pin-type moisture meters have two pins that penetrate the surface and measure the electrical resistance between the pins. This reveals the moisture content. Pinless moisture meters are less intrusive. They measure the relationship between moisture content and the dielectric properties of the structure. Some moisture meters offer both options. Keep your stress level low. It's important to have a professional inspect for hidden moisture after you have water damage. Hidden moisture is not your friend.